In today's class, you will learn how to convert denary to hexadecimal. Okay, in the previous lecture, you have learned how to convert hexadecimal to denary. Now you will learn exactly the opposite. Okay, so in that case, the number calculated was 428. I'm using the same number, 428, just to make sure we get the same answer in hexadecimal. Okay, so for this purpose, we have to divide this number. You must know the table of 16, okay, to convert it into the hexadecimal 16th table. And the other way, I've already explained that if the number is in denary, so you can go this way as well. Convert it into binary and then make the group of 4 to convert it into hexadecimal as well. Okay. But now in this class, you are learning a direct method. Okay. Now in exams, it will be your choice. Whatever method is suitable for you, you can use that. Okay. But you must learn both the methods. One is the direct method and the other is the indirect method. So in indirect method, you have to perform two steps. First convert into binary and then you can convert into hexadecimal. Okay, for this method, direct method, you must know the table of 16. Okay, since calculators are not allowed in your IGCSE or A-level exams, so you have to manually perform some calculation. So this will be maximum 26 time. Okay, so it becomes 416. Yes, if I multiply it with 27, so it becomes 432. That will be greater than this number, so we will keep it equal or less than that. So 26 time multiply 16 26 time, we get 416. Here we just write the remainder, okay, as we used to do in binary conversion, where we divide the number, the entry number, in by 2, because that was base 2. So now we are dividing it by 16 since we are converting it into base 16. So the remainder will be 12. Okay, since 16 26 are 416, so the remainder is 12. Again, now this number is greater than 16. Now you will keep on dividing it until it is less than 16. Okay, so we can divide it two times, multiply 16 by two times, because it will be greater than 26. So one time, and 16 one times, it's 16, and the remainder is 10. So this is a required number 1. I'm just writing it here like this: 1, 16, and the third number is 12. Okay, this is the required number. But now, as you already know, that any number which is above 9, that will be replaced with its symbol. Okay, and you already know that the 10 is A and 12 is C, so we get the same number. Okay, so this is how you can apply the direct method, but you can also try the same number using indirect method. So convert 428 into binary first and then make the groups of 4 to convert it into hexadecimal and make sure you get the same answer. Okay, thank you.